Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the chart of DXY, and as we all know that DXY is flying, and as a result the currencies all over the world are facing a serious pressure. DXY's last rate price 105.12, and as I have already discussed in the video of the gold and euro USD, that if you look at the chart of DXY, then undoubtedly the market is bullish. And if we just observe this particular portion here, then we can see that though this level is acting as the resistance, but this is also an ascending triangle pattern, and as we all know that ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern. Though we have a resistance or sellers present here, but market is constantly forming new lows, higher lows in the market. Okay, higher lows signify that buyers are not ready to surrender, new buyers are joining in, and as a result in ascending triangle pattern we usually see market breaking resistance and going up. So if that happens, okay, if this thing happens, then obviously euro USD, GBP USD will be under pressure again, or every currency will be under pressure because dollar will be more stronger. Okay, and if I take you to the forex sentiment meter, then here is our beloved pound dollar, and as you can see that 23% retail, only 23% retail traders have taken short position are on the sell side, and 76% retail traders are on the long side. They have taken buy position, or still they are holding on to their buy position. And you can see that the average long price is 1.2630. This is the average buy price here. And as we all know that GBP USD is right now trading at 1.2093. Okay. And the average buy price is around here. Okay. This is the main reason I have been telling you all guys that follow proper risk management and learn to exit from the market at the right time. After all, it's your hard-earned money, it's your responsibility to protect it. Anyways, if you look at the chart of GBP USD, then you can see that GBP USD is right now standing at the very critical support here. Okay, 1.92, 1.1928, 1.1925, okay, and 1.2000. This level has been acting as a strong support for the market right now, or you can also say that this is a very critical support for GBP USD. If you already have a buy position, or if you have taken a buy position around this level, then you don't need to exit from the market, be on the trade. There is a possibility that DXY may go for some correction, and currency pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD may try to recover. So if you have taken a buy position around this level, you can expect some sort of recovery and be on the trade as long as market is trading above this level. In case GBP USD breaks the support and starts falling, then exit from the trade. Okay, so this is the only important support for Monday. If you are looking for other support levels, then you need to go to the higher time frame. This is the weekly chart of GBP USD, and you can see that the next important support, or if you are looking for the next strongest support on the chart of GBP USD, then it is below 500 pips. The next important support is at 1.1500. That is too far away. No need to focus on that. Okay, simply keep your eyes on the present support right now. Okay, if market breaks it, if you see that market is breaking the support and going down further with heavy selling pressure, you can take a sell position as well. Okay, I'm repeating again, if you find market breaking the support and going down further, you can take a sell position as well, but do not hold on to your buy positions. Okay, and on the other hand, if market goes up, okay, if market goes up from here, don't buy here, because your risk to reward ratio will not match. Try to trade on the levels that are in favor of your risk to reward ratio. A trader only trades when the opportunity is right. Okay, so do not enter in the middle. If market goes up from here, then observe the market around the 50 moving average. You can see that the 50 moving average here also in the on the video of Euro USD, I showed you how the 50 moving average is acting as dynamic support resistance. On the chart of GBP USD also we can see the same thing. Here also 50 moving average is acting as a dynamic support and resistance, and you can see that the 50 moving average is providing the required support resistance. So we can expect that once market will be around the 50 moving average, there may be some selling pressure. So if market hits the 50 moving average on Monday, observe the market carefully. If you see that, just like the previous times, if you see price rejection from above, then you can take a sell position with proper risk management. You can take a sell position because the 50 moving average will be acting as the dynamic resistance. And the next important resistance for GBP USD is the trend line, the black line that I have drawn here. You can see that the trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for a long time. Okay, for a long time. Market has already tested it too many times. Okay, so observe the market first. Once market reaches this particular trend line here, okay, do not take a sell position blindly. After all, it's our money. It's our responsibility to protect it, isn't it? Anyways, these levels are also quite far away. No need to focus on those levels right now. Do not jam your head right now. I'll be coming down on Monday and I'll be explaining according to the market opening. So as of now, simply focus on your ongoing position. Just keep in mind that you must be ready. Okay, you must be ready to exit from your buying position if market breaks the support here, because if market breaks it, then the next big support for GBP USD will be below 500 pips. Okay, that is something unimaginable. Okay, and in case if you find market testing the support again on Monday or Tuesday, if you see that market is trying to bounce from here, then you can go for a buy position again. But my dear friends, again I'll say that overall the market is in downtrend. Okay, yes, there is a possibility of some correction on DXY and some recovery of GBP USD, but as long as market is continuing the present trend here, okay, you should follow the trend. After all, there is only one rule in the market. Whether you trade on stock market, forex market, commodity market, doesn't matter. That is trend. If you follow the trend, you are following the rule of the market. If you're going against the trend of the market, it means that you are violating the only rule here. So whatever you do, follow proper risk management and protect your hard earned money. Bye bye. Take care. See ya on Monday again.